So at this point, I'm really just doing all I can to get one shot without these dastardly seagulls sending my Zino Pro into the waters below, forever gone, maybe sent out into the ocean, back to Japan, or maybe Australia, who knows. I'm a little nervous, so I'm moving fast, but the birds are so relentless, I'm having to cut, bank, yaw, pitch, roll, whatever I can do to get away from these seagulls and also get a nice shot, because I'm only here for one day. This is the 4th day I've been flying the Zino Pro in these high-risk areas, and it's been a lot of fun, but it's also a little nervous because you don't want to lose your Zino into the waters and then have to order a new one or something like that, which would be ridiculous, you know. So I decided to just make it back safely, you know, just head back to where I took off from the beginning. I'm at 40% battery, and this is where things go from bad to worse. I decided to fly around the area a little bit just to have some fun and get some more footage of where we're at. And all of a sudden I noticed that my app has gone zip. It's gone. The Zino takes off straight up. I'm figuring it's going to return home, but I'm on the wrong side of the bridge. So as you see in the video, I almost make it back to the return home spot, but it clips the side of the bridge, sending the Zino down to the ground. Oh, it just broke my heart hearing the sound of the Zino crash into the concrete. But at least it wasn't over the ocean, over the water. I could pick it up. Hopefully I could fix it. And that's probably what I'll have to do. And let's see, there's some more video to come, so check it. Hey everybody out there, this is Joel Solo TV. So it's been a couple weeks now since I was out flying in the Oregon coast. It's so beautiful out there. Man, if you guys ever get the chance, head out there. Enjoy. It's so beautiful. The beaches are empty. It's nothing like Southern California where the beaches are so packed. So anyway, let's get down and dirty. The Zino Pro hit the bridge. You guys saw the video. The camera popped off. I'm thinking as soon as it hit the ground, that camera popped right off and it broke this ribbon cable here. Highly disappointing, but like I said, at least it didn't fall in the ocean. I was able to record it, and it still was running when it hit the ground. So nothing really wrong with the motors or the battery. It all started up. It's just this camera flew out. And it landed in the grass, so that was nice too. Not a whole lot of damage. Just need to fix some of the props and get this little camera fitted back in there with the new ribbon cable. But while I'm waiting on the cable to show up, I went ahead, because I only have one quadcopter, one Zino I can fly at a time, I went ahead and I ordered this bad boy here. This is the Zino 2. I know my boys out there, they know all about this one. I went ahead and picked it up. It's about the same as the Zino Pro, but it has a little nicer camera. It flies longer, it goes farther, and it has some of the optical flow avoidance stuff. So we'll see. It's beautiful too. I'm gonna do a whole video on that. I'll unpack it for you guys and everything, but can't wait to get out there. Right now the skies are so smoky from the California fires. Man, those fires are burning up those. It's crazy. It's burning up the whole forest over there. Thousands of acres. It's really sad. So yeah, I'm excited about the Zino Pro, the Zino 2. Can't wait to get that baby out. I'll order this cable and fix this bad boy here so I can have 2 quadcopters up flying around. I'm wondering if one can track the other. You know what I'm saying? If I can get them up together facing each other and I can track maybe the Zino Pro with the Zino 2, that way when I fly off, the other one will follow each other, if that makes any sense. Kind of a little confusing. Alright guys, thanks a lot. Joel Solo TV. I hope you enjoyed the video. I had such an amazing time up in Oregon. Let me tell you, that place is amazing. It's so cool. Alright, check it out, the video, subscribe, hit the thumbs up. Love you guys. Peace out.